हाँ जी शिवानी मैम.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, good morning. Yesterday we did polynomial. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression of this form where a1, a2, these are the real numbers and power of variable is non-negative integer. Just recall of yesterday's lecture. Then we did types of polynomial based on their degree: linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear with degree 1, quadratic with degree 2 and cubic with degree 3. Then we did zero of the polynomial. What is zero of the polynomial? The value of the variable at which the polynomial becomes zero. That is called the zero of the polynomial. Now in journal, start writing side by side. In journal, zero of a linear polynomial, zero of a linear polynomial ax plus b is minus b over a. How it is minus b over a? Like suppose आपके पास polynomial है ax is equal to 3x plus 2. आप कैसे zero find out करते थे? Put 3x plus 2 equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 over 3. What is minus 2 over 3? Minus 2, negative sign, then 2 constant term and 3 is the coefficient of x. इसी तरह आती थी zero of the polynomial. So here we will write. So zero of the polynomial in general ax plus b is minus constant term b and over coefficient of x. So that is minus b is the constant term of the polynomial, constant term over coefficient of x. Clear? Write it down. Next is the geometrical meaning of, write down the heading, geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial. Your heading on your notebook, geometrical meaning of the zeros meaning of the zeros of a polynomial. Give heading. Now, suppose the linear polynomial is ax plus b. Can anybody tell me what should be the graph of the linear polynomial? In 9th class you learned that what is the shape of the graph of linear polynomials. Can anybody tell me? Yes, Devishi. Ma'am, please unmute Devishi.
Ma'am, straight line.
Yes, it is always a straight line. Graph of linear equation is always a straight line. Suppose it is like this. Straight line, maybe it is like this. Now this graph cut the x-axis at how many points? Only on x-axis. Y-axis का नहीं देखना. Only on x-axis. The graph of this equation cut x-axis at 1 point. So linear polynomial has 1 0. Clear? कोई भी ग्राफ एक्स एक्सिस को कितने पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है, कितने पॉइंट्स पे कट करता है, वो क्या होंगी? जीरोस ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. दिस इज द ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग ऑफ द linear or any kind of polynomial. So write down the graph of the linear polynomial I am just dictating the graph of the linear polynomial intersect x-axis at one point, therefore linear polynomial has exactly 1, 0. Therefore linear polynomial has exactly 1, 0. Clear?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Write down the graph of the linear polynomial cut और intersect. मैंने बोर्ड पे लिखा है यहाँ से intersect x-axis at one point. Therefore, linear polynomial has exactly 1, 0. Write down this. Graph is not necessary. Otherwise, you can also draw. In quadratic polynomial, graph has two shapes, either upward parabola or downward parabola. It depends whether the coefficient of x square is positive or negative. Clear? Now we will learn how to find the zeros from the graph of quadratic polynomial. Clear? Again, I am repeating. Meanwhile, you can write. First case, when the parabolas cut x-axis at 2 points. If it cut at 2 points, then it has 2 zeros. Second, when both points coincide, then it has 1, 0, because this shape cut at only 1 point on x-axis. So 1, 0. Here the graph does not cut the x-axis at any point, so no 0. It is very easy to understand. First is the question is the graph of y equal to px are given below. For some polynomials px, find the number of zeros of px in each case. In first case, Parneet Kaur Sodhi. Ma'am, please, Parneet, raise your hand. Parneet, 10th blue, please raise your hand so that ma'am can unmute you.
Ma'am, they can unmute or mute themselves.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Parneet, unmute yourself. How many zeros are there in first case? All of you must write down the answer on your notebook. Parneet, hurry up. Parneet, your voice is not audible. Malvika?
Ma'am, no zeros.
No zeros. Write down the answer. No need to draw the graph. Simple write down. Question 1, first part, no zero. Now second part, rhythm. जल्दी जल्दी अनम्यूट करके आंसर किया करो. Rhythm.
Ma'am, 1 0.
Y axis नहीं check करना, only on x axis. Graph cut the x axis at only 1 point, so 1 0. Next third part. Tushar, 9th red, roll number 2. Yes, Tushar, unmute yourself. Pranay.
Ma'am, 2 zeros.
2, how Pranay? See, third part है, कैसे 2 zeros कैसे? Check करो x axis को कितने points पे cut कर रहा है?
Ma'am, 3 points.
3 points, yes, 3 points पे cut कर रहा है, so it has 3 zeros. So write down 3 zeros. Now fourth part, Japanjot, 29 roll number 10th thread, sorry. Japanjot.
Yes, ma'am.
Japan, क्या किया
Ma'am,
आंसर
2
आपने?
zeros.
2 zeros, yes, it has 2 zeros. Fourth part, write down the answer. Next, fifth part, Ashish.
Ma'am, 4 zeros.
4 zeros. Fifth part, 4 zeros. Last, Mehak Prabhakar.
Ma'am, 3 zeros.
3 zeros. So I think the concept is clear to you. How can we check the number of zeros from the graph? Clear? Now next is, write down the heading, relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. Write down the heading. Relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. Homework I will send on WhatsApp along with the link of this today's lecture. I will send it on WhatsApp, today's homework. Relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. Practice heading. अभी हमने पढ़ा था जीरो ऑफ अ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. Zero of a linear polynomial ax plus b is minus b over a, is minus b over a. We did earlier. Zero of a linear polynomial is this. So that is minus, what is b? B is the constant term of the linear polynomial over, what is a? A is the coefficient of x. So this is the relation between zeros and the coefficient of a polynomial. So write it again. Next is quadratic polynomial. We all know that quadratic polynomial is of the type ax square plus bx plus c. Let us suppose that alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Let us suppose that alpha and beta, these terms I think you have read in physics, alpha beta. Alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial.